QR code survey is a simple way to collect feedback. You can scan with a smartphone and open the survey. And these surveys are perfect for paper receipts, product packaging, and other print media. You can use it during your marketing campaign. To start with a QR code campaign, you can click on QR code option. You can change the messaging, the title of the QR code, and also personalize the description of the QR code. If you want to download just a QR code, just a barcode of this, you can click on download QR code. And if you want to print the banner, including the message, you can click on print banner. Once you are done with that and click either of the option, you will be able to download a PDF format, and you can include that. You can share that with your design team to include this PR code part of the campaign. Thank you.